How to fix screen not turning off automatically in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness, and then click on auto lock. If you select never, then your screen will not turn off automatically, and if you select 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes and 5 minutes, then your screen turn off automatically after you selected times. And if you select never, then your screen not turn off automatically. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.